Are you wondering which tool is better for your design needs? Today, we're diving into Miro and Figma to see how they stack up against each other. Both Miro and Figma are popular tools used by designers and teams. They help with collaboration and creativity, but they serve different purposes. Miro is mainly for brainstorming and planning, while Figma focuses on user interface design and prototyping. Let's start with Miro. Miro is like a big whiteboard where teams can share ideas. You can add sticky notes, draw, and create mind maps. It's great for workshops and meetings. The visual aspect makes it easy to see everything at once. Teams love it for its flexibility and ease of use. Now, let's talk about Figma. Figma is a design tool that allows you to create user interfaces. It's perfect for designing apps and websites. You can create interactive prototypes and share them easily. Figma also allows real time collaboration, so multiple people can work on a design at the same time. So, what are the main differences? Miro is all about brainstorming and visual collaboration, while Figma is focused on design and prototyping. If you need to plan a project, Miro is your go to. For creating detailed designs, Figma is the better choice. When it comes to features, Miro offers templates and integrations with other tools. Figma has design components and version control. Both tools have free versions, but you might need to pay for extra features. In the end, if you're a team looking to brainstorm and collaborate visually, Miro is the right pick. If you're a designer focused on creating user interfaces, Figma is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.